Okay, let's try this. Oh, okay, I got it working. Oh, look at me. Look at me. I'm down here now. Ooh. Okay. The reason I'm doing this video is because I ordered this Starlink and it finally came in. Actually, it didn't finally come in. It came in really fast. Like 2.5 weeks probably, maybe. Like, if that. So, this is the version that is meant for RVs and stuff, that is mobile or whatever. I'm not exactly sure. I don't know anything about it, honestly. I was just like, oh, Starlink, I need internet anywhere I go. So I ended up buying it, and now I'm going to learn about it. So I decided I'm going to do a kind of a little bit of an unboxing video for you guys. And now that I've finally emptied out my phone and I've figured out how to use this gimbal, I can use my phone for videos, which is a little bit higher quality than my GoPros. He's such a baby. He's literally such an... He's like, you're giving the camera attention again and not me? Oh, how dare I? How dare I give you camera attention and not you? Okay, buddy. So yeah, maybe a little bit in this unboxing video, I might do a little bit of a talk on why I decided I wanted to do this trip in the first place and why I decided to just up and leave. I've really wanted to do something like that. I kind of started writing a little bit of a list, but I feel like that would be a really important video for my viewers to be able to watch, is why I left and what kind of drove me to wanting to do this. Even though my life was going pretty good, I just decided to up and leave. So yeah, I don't know, and it goes the same for anyone. I know a lot of people have that same kind of feeling and they just go for it, and a lot of people have the feeling and they don't because they're scared of the unknowns. Not right now, please. But the unknowns kind of make it fun, to be honest. Like, I've been sitting around for the past 3 weeks now, maybe close to a month even, and I'm trying to figure out a money situation. I have some money, but I'm getting down to the nitty-gritty, so I'm trying to figure out a money situation before I really keep hitting the road and get down to Vancouver area. But like, that's kind of, it's interesting because I'm learning new things in this unknown, you know. So like, I'm learning all these different new little ways that money can be made. I'm trying to look into crypto and stuff like that. Like, not too crazy, don't worry, I'm smart, I'm not gonna lose all my money in crypto. But just like different ways that I can make money, even working online, trying to find jobs online and stuff like that. So like, I don't know, there is a lot of like empty like questions that you may not have answers for, and you just got to find those answers along the way. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get to this unboxing of this awesome brand new Starlink. Without further ado, let's dig in, see what's going on in this box. All right, we got the protective. Let's see if there's anything in here. Nothing in there. That could have been a cool spot to put some stuff. I don't know. There's a stand. Here's the dish. This is extremely dirty for some reason, but here's the dish. I don't know what these holes are for. Isn't this supposed to be outside all the time? Oh yeah, look at that. The dish there. You can adjust your angle somehow. I will figure that out. I don't want to break it. Download the Starlink app, and so it's pretty much just this box for the Starlink and then a bunch of wires. So I'm going to look into the app and see how to do this. See, that just plugs right into the box, and the box plugs in, and boom, pow, I have internet. I mean, I have internet at my friend's house, but I have internet anywhere I go with this, which I think is really cool. The only problem now is I gotta find another place for this thing in my van. I'm gonna have to make like a hanger for it somewhere. So I'm reading the instructions right now. This is friggin' hilarious. Where is it? Okay. The lightning protection area, read that. The warranty does not cover damage due to lightning, electrical surges, fires, floods, hail, windstorm, earthquakes, meteors, solar storms, dinosaurs, or other forces of nature. That's hilarious. Elon Musk got a sense of humor, that's for sure. Well, I found where my Starlink is gonna sit. This is right behind my TV. That's there, that's Velcro to the wall from right up here. And then just sits on this edge. This, I'm gonna put a screw here. Might not even need to, honestly. This is just held in by right there for now. So I gotta put something, a bungee cord across here so this can stay right there, but that'll be perfect. The only other thing that I need to find a spot for is this big thing, which I'm hoping can come up here as well. Something like that on a mount or something. We'll see. This I might just be throwing in there for now, but that's a pretty good spot for that and for that. So pretty much as well, this is the rotor. I have this Velcroed to the wall. The power cord plugged in there, comes into here, and then this is literally all you need. It just plugs into the wall, and then you plug in the cord from the dish into the rotor. And right now it's just kind of ghetto ran, and it's on my roof. And yeah, we have internet. That easy. Alright, it's on the GoPro here for a second so I can show you guys what's going on the app here. I don't know how well you can see that. There you go. Alright, so as you can see, it says online. We'll go do a speed test here. I don't think I'm getting the best speed in the world right now because it is kind of obstructed. So, but it is working, which is pretty awesome. So you have 53 Mbps right now. Upload. So it's not the fastest thing right now, but it is not in the greatest spot. It's on the roof, but there's the house right beside, and then lots of trees. So it's honestly not awful. I'm running TikTok videos, no problem. Lives are a little bit slow, but yeah, it's pretty good, pretty cool for being able to have internet anywhere. So I'm excited to see what the internet is like when I'm out in the bush. Hey guys, try and make this quick. I didn't get good proper video of me setting up the Starlink and this and the other, but it's honestly very straightforward. You just have your dish, your rotor, you plug it in, and you plug in your dish to your rotor, and that's it. And you put your dish where you want it. So at first I put it on the ground, it wasn't working. Put it on the roof, kind of wasn't working, but it was just really slow. It started to get a little bit better. I can use it right now, but it is fairly obstructed. There's the house, like it has like this much space to see. So like here is all house and here is trees. So it can't really see that much. So I guess in the open it might be a little better, but still in the woods it's not going to be very good, honestly, which kind of sucks, which is what I was kind of hoping for, to be able to use it out in the woods or use it in the mountains and this and the other. So in the mountains it might be a bit different depending on if I'm not in the woods or not, or if I find a good open spot. So I don't know, I think it might still be worth the money, definitely not a waste of money. So yeah, it definitely wasn't a total waste of money, I'd say. But a cool thing about Starlink is once you buy it, I could pause my subscription right now, and it's pretty much prepaid. Like, it's not like a monthly thing you always have to pay for. So if I want to cancel it right now or pause it right now until I do go into the woods, I can do that, which I probably will do, seeing as I don't get the best reception right now. But I'm just kind of testing it out a little bit right now too. So anyways, the Starlink isn't bad. I'm still gonna I'll give you guys like updates on that a little bit, but like I said, as for setting it up, it was super simple. I showed you, I just put my rotor on the wall, plugged it in, plugged in the cord for the dish, and put my dish somewhere, and then you go through the app, which I put in the clip with the GoPro there. You go on the app, you set it all up, you can find your obstructions and stuff to make sure you're in a good spot, which I didn't go over that. There's lots of stuff you can do in the app that I didn't go through, but the main part is it does actually work. I just got a little bit angry.